So let's just drag that across. 400. Okay. And then we've got the 80.75 target. So let's just update that as well. So 80.75. Let's just put that in there. Okay. So currently we have.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the silver chart, and we're going to analyze it, have a look at where it's traded over the week and where it's heading over the coming week. So as you know, we like to start off with the monthly view just to get an overall picture of what's happening, and then we can delve into it, get a little bit closer into it and see what we can find. So as you can see, we are still in this area. So if you've been watching the video, this high end, we've been to the very top, which is that 96 area, and we've come back in. So let's go and have a look at the daily. There we go. So we've got this parallel channel that we are still following, and we have been keeping an eye on it just to see if it still carries on trading within it. And then we've got this red support line, which is a long-term support line, which seems to be holding. We did go through it, but then we quickly recovered it, and we've been trading above it since. So it looks like if the chart plays out correctly, we could be heading towards the 83 medium term. We need to try and consolidate just below it before we can catch the next move up to that sort of 95 area. So let's go into the 1 hour. So there we go. We can now start to make some adjustments and make some changes. So this smaller parallel channel, I'm going to delete it as it's no longer of use to us. So let's get that out of the way. But what I'd like to update is these lines here. So what we've got is the support of 7400. So let's just drag that across. 400. Okay. And then we've got the 80.75 target. So let's just update that as well. So 80.75. Let's just put that in there. Okay. So currently we have silver. It's broken a little bit higher. It's building what looks like some sort of consolidation. Let's just go into that a little bit more. Okay, so some sort of consolidation. Could it head to the 84.60? Possibly. We'll just have to wait and see. We'll see if it can build some momentum and head towards it. If it doesn't break this 80.75 area, then we know we could be heading a little bit lower to 76.44 or to the 74 area. So let's just keep an eye on that and see what happens. So let's go into the 10 minutes. 10 minutes is the same. You can see just that 80 area. It's just building some sort of consolidation with a view to potentially breaking out. So let me just put some quick lines into this area here. Let's see if we can spot anything. So go there. Just here. Okay. And this one here. We'll take it from here. Across to there. Okay. So we could potentially be forming some sort of wedge pattern on the 10 minutes. So if that's the case, we could be trading within here before we break up or we break down. Which direction is going to head? We just have to watch the chart and just keep an eye on it and see where it goes. But as we know, we do have support on the 74, and we've got the upper target of the 84.70. So let's just keep an eye on it. Let's go back to 1 hour. Okay, so everything's still, everything's still pretty much in line with what we said. I think the wedge is actually there as well. So again, let's keep an eye on that, and the daily. Okay, and that will conclude the chart for silver for the week. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comment. Let's help this channel to grow, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.